Welcome back. Today we're going to talk a little bit about turbochargers. One of the things that Highway and Heavy Parts prides ourselves in is being able to find you guys the best quality for the best price. We really do a lot of work behind the scenes to find the best suppliers for our customers, which means that you're going to get the best price and you're going to get high quality. We're proud to announce that we're the latest master distributor for Jrone Turbochargers. We've done a lot of research on this company and they make some fabulous stuff. So with the Jrone Turbochargers, we've got coverage for 125 commercial vehicles on the road today. We've got complete turbocharger assemblies, center housing, rotating assemblies, and the repair kits. Depending on what your needs are, we've got you covered. The turbochargers are going to be brand new, center housing, rotating assemblies, brand new. They're going to have a 1-year warranty with those. So you're going to get the same warranty as a factory turbocharger, and you're going to get a brand new product versus a reman product a lot of times. The other thing is with the Jrone Turbochargers and center housing rotating assemblies, you're going to get a TurboTechnics VSR report. It's the vibration sorting rig that they're going to go through and run these on before they get them to you. When's the last time you bought a turbocharger that's going to come with the report of the balance of that particular turbo? These Jrone turbos are going to be great. So if you need a turbocharger, center housing rotating assembly, or a rebuild kit, give us a shout at Highway and Heavy Parts at 844-447-1453. We'd be glad to discuss the options with you, or you can check us out on our website at www.highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, Highway and Heavy Parts.